Today, I want to show you how you can natively download images to your user's camera roll inside of your WeWeb mobile application using the Despia plugin. It's super simple, so let's get right started with that. First of all, we need to make sure that the Despia plugin is installed. If you haven't already, you can get it from the WeWeb marketplace and install it into your existing or new project. So let's go to Assets and Library to verify if we actually have it downloaded. If I go on this book symbol here, you will see that I have it downloaded. Perfect. So we can close this here. And now we need to make sure that the Despia plugin component is on the top of our page. So we're going to go on Add and we're going to go on Assets. And you will see when it is installed, we have this Despia provider, Despia native, Despia plugin component here. I will add that on the page, the Despia plugin component. It will be on the top of the page. You can add it to an existing page or a new page, it doesn't matter. And then we're just going to add a button to download an image to the native camera roll. So let's put the button on the page. Make sure it's still the first element on the page for best practice reasons. And now I can just go and call this button download. Look at that. So now I go to this button and I create a workflow. And this workflow will be on click. And I'm going to execute component action. And then the component I will use will be the Despia plugin component. And then I will look for save to camera roll. And now it needs a URL. You can make this dynamic. You can take this from an API response, from a variable. But in this example, we're just going to hard code it. So I'm going to go and go to a URL that has an image. In this example, I'm taking the WeWeb logo. And I'm just going to paste this URL right inside of here. I'm going to close it, and that is all we need to set up. I'm just going to deploy it now to WeWeb, and I'm going to publish my WeWeb project. Now, the nice thing is publishing your WeWeb project will update your whole mobile application for all your users and for yourself, because Despia supports updates over the air, meaning when you do those critical changes that even use native functionalities, you don't have to go through a 10-day 15 days, something like that, app approval process. Is all over the air, meaning you can fix critical issues without having someone slow you down. Very cool and fully compliant. So let's go to my iPhone here. Let's open the application. And as you can see, the UI was completely updated. And I can now download, and you will see image saved to your photo gallery. And I can add it again. I can download it again, and again. And now if I look at my photo gallery here, I will need to open that real quick. So let's open that here. You can see that I now have a bunch of WeWeb logos on my photo gallery because they all have been downloaded natively without me having to put them in there. So this is one of the examples how you can actually directly add files to the user system, in this example images, with those native actions. So your WeWeb application can actually do native things that web applications, PWAs, usually cannot do for security reasons. So it's pretty cool what you can do with it, fully compliant, and it's just a few minutes to set up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.